Hello, welcome to Health Talk with Dr. Toyi. Today we'll be discussing how to speak to your children about sex and growing up. Most importantly, you need to maintain a good channel of communication from an early age. Not just with things related to sex, but just normal communication with your child. And this makes it easier for you to discuss these kind of issues. It will be a bit awkward if you don't normally speak to your child and at 11 you now want to speak about sex. It will be embarrassing for both you and your child. So remember to maintain good channel of communication from an early age. Secondly, we need to teach our children how to respect their bodies from an early age too. It's a good thing to tell them, if you maintain that good communication channel, if anybody touches them, they'll be quick to let you know. You can give names like Bom Bom or PP to the private parts if maybe they're less than 7 years. But once they're 7 years and above, it'll be good to actually name the body parts and let them know that nobody should touch that area except their parents. And if anybody does touch them, they should let you know immediately. With all that's going on in the world now, we need to be vigilant and also to let them know it's wrong to touch other people's body parts without their permission. Thirdly, it would be good to, when you do have the talk, not to seem confrontational. What I mean by that is you need to have a calm environment. And if possible, do not face your child because it seems like you're confronting them. And as I said earlier, it can be quite embarrassing. So probably sitting next to your child to discuss this issue is a good thing. And don't make the environment tense. It could be in between like a normal conversation. You just chip in something, depending on the age. If they're really young, just need to, teach them about people not touching their private parts. And if you want to have real talk about puberty, I would suggest probably from the age of 7 or 8, you need to have that talk. Please parents, do not shy away from having this talk with children, because if you don't tell them, somebody else will tell them, and they'll most likely tell them lies. We need to be truthful with our children. We need to let them know, look, at the right age, sex is a good thing. There's nothing wrong with it. And there's nothing wrong with touching a girl's hand or a boy's hand. As some of us grew up thinking that touching that can make us pregnant. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. We'll talk about specifics concerning girls and puberty and boys and puberty in another talk. But until then, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, watch it as many times as possible, and smile because it's healthy. Bye.